me on it. All right, so this is a 4 foot by 4 foot by 4 foot dog crate for a Great Dane. Tongue and groove siding, 1x4 trim all the way around. Color is gray. Trim is natural black. Here we have 3" by 3". I want to say expanded metal, but it's just stainless steel
Hardware.
hardware on the left. Door latch comes over, and the door latch can lock. Hold on. The latch can lock. Hold the door latch. Pretty much 4 foot by 4 foot interior. Removable floor, which is 1 inch. We got some ABS plastic. Oh, sorry. Plenty of room for puppy dog. Cool part about it, it's completely, what would we say, takeable apart.
Yeah, it's completely able to break down for transport.
I like the way you said that. Yep. So the front, top, sides, everything comes apart. We have stainless steel pins that hold the front in because everything else has different. This might not be a good one. That sucks. All right, let's try this one. Stainless steel pins. Lock the front half in. We got it at the top. Got it at the bottom. Left side. This one just needs a little. There we go. So comes completely apart. This will pull completely out. Some of the trim will be attached to this. Most trim will be on each side. 2x4, 1x4, 2x2. You got 3 regular hinges, pull-out tray, 2 latches like for a windowsill, and all the hardware is stainless steel minus these 2 J hooks. Hey, appreciate y'all watching. Thank you so much.